Okay, to set up the labeler, there is a couple small features on this labeler. Obviously, we have the separator, which is control with this. You can adjust the speed for the bottle coming in. The label, you have in and the height adjustments in here for the angle. So you've got the height, we've got the in, and we've got the angle adjustment. And we got the handlebar, gripper, label sensor, and the bottle turning stepping motor. We have the gripper width adjustments in here. We have manually, you need to undo these two screws to set the height of the bottle, the gripper, so it's not really crushing the bucket. It needs a bit of room, so different height need to have a different adjustment. Obviously, we've got the gripper bottle turning pressing wheel that you can adjust in and out. In the HMI, there is a couple small features. Obviously, we have menu. You can test run the belt. We can test run that motor. Can test run the piston up and down. Now, when you started the turning wheel, there's the program looking for two things to switch it off. Looking for a in-feed signal for the bucket to turn, so that sensor, and also looking for, in running mode, you're looking for a signal from the labeler. If the label dispenser is not feeding out a label, it will continue running. So if you see this wheel is running, you can stop it, and if it's still running, just turn it one turn, and that sensor will stop the turning wheel. On the touchscreen, we have the belt speed, which is the conveyor belt speed, the bottle or bucket turning wheel speed. That speed needs to be matching with the speed of the label coming out. If the label coming out too slow or too fast, not matching the turning, you will have bubble or stressing on the label. And then we have the advance, which is where the sensor see the bucket and how long delay for the bucket to be in the position. That needs to be set first, so the bucket always in almost the middle position. And then obviously we have the label speed in here, label advance, which is how far advance out on the tag after the label gap sensor seeing the label and stop. Label delays in here is when the label get dissuspended after the bucket passed the sensor. Label position is not really important for this one. If you do have other feature that when the labels will start sensing out when the bottle turning. And the next three is to do with the gripper in the coming in to hold the bucket. Cylinder delay is when the sensor see the bucket and delay before this piston coming in, this one. And how long it the cylinder hold in there, like how many turn it run before it start to release it to feed it out. The final one link is the link of the label. It's not very important for this setup in here, but if you have a very long label, you might want to set it up longer. I'm going to do a one test without the label. You will see the turner will keep running without, because it's looking for a finished signal from the labeler. You'll see it continually turning and looking for, waiting for the signal to come back. Now you will see the wheel still turning because it's waiting for that signal to come back. Even if I stop it, it will still turn, but if I